guys, so I have like a full day of stuff to do today. I have to do my hair, I have to do my nails. What else do I have to do? And I also have to go do my brows, but my hair and my nails, I'm doing them here at home. My stylist is already here for my hair, so I'm going to be doing a ponytail because I have a wedding this week and just a couple of events that require this hairstyle. I'm going to be relaxing my hair with my usual. This is my Mega Growth No Lie Relaxer, and the strength that I have here is regular strength. I actually don't, is it regular strength? Yeah, it's regular strength, just to confirm. Can you guys see that? And inside here you just get packs that look like this, okay? And I'm going to be using one pack. I haven't relaxed my hair in about how long? 2 months, 3 months? 3 months. I haven't relaxed my hair in 3 months. It comes with the relaxer and a cream activator. This is the activator, this is the relaxer. You have to mix the two in equal parts, just thoroughly, and make sure that everything is mixed. And inside the pack, you also get a neutralizing shampoo. This shampoo is so important because even when I relax my hair myself, which I tend to do when I have my short hair thing going and I just want to touch up the roots, even when I do that, when you apply this on your hair, it's going to be pink. Like the lather is going to be pink, okay? The lather is going to be pink, and the more you wash and rinse, just following the instructions on here, the water will start like the lather will turn white, and when the lather turns white, you know that the relaxer, all the relaxer has gone out of your hair, which is very, 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 very important. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I typically relax my hair. I'll not be doing it myself. Martha is going to be doing it. I don't carry relaxer on my hair for more than 20 minutes, even if like 15-20 minutes max. Like if I haven't relaxed in a while, 15-20 minutes. I've seen people go to the salon where you sit down there, they'll be like, oh, your hair is still cooking. You stay there for 2 hours. When you come out, like your whole scalp is red and burnt. You don't need to do that. So we're going to start. I'm also going to do a ponytail, like a low ponytail. I think I'm going to switch to my other camera just so that you guys can see what she's doing clearly.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times.
like this hair a lot. It's insane how much my hair has grown, guys. Like, my hair has grown so much. I keep saying I'm going to cut it. Like, every month I'm like, I'm going to cut it this month. I'm like, okay, I'll wait next month and I'll cut it next month. But I'm still going to cut my hair soon regardless. Like, I was combing out this hair this morning. Like, before I started relaxing, I was like, I don't have energy for this. Like, I don't know the last time that my hair was that long. But I'm going to enjoy some hairstyles first, I think. So, this looks good. I think it looks really good. So guys, I just ate. I felt like I was about to die when I was doing my hair. I just ate. My nail tech is here. My nail tech is from Naily Cure. Actually, they're doing home service for me. I was supposed to go yesterday. It's so bright in here. I was supposed to go yesterday, but I couldn't make it, so she had to come. I just got like plain color. I didn't do like any design. I just washed my hands so they look a bit dry, but I like this color. It's like a nice mustard. So guys, I'm ready, about to leave the house. I'm wearing these like shoes with this like champagne dress, wearing this dress that I got from Fashion Nova, and these black sandals are very comfortable. I got these from ASOS. So let me show you guys my face. So this is my face. My makeup is like kind of simple, but I have a very red bold lip and like very dramatic lashes. Okay. Swollen just getting out of bed, guys. We had so much fun at Pam's wedding. So much fun. Yesterday was one of the best fun that I've had this year, and I think one of the best that I've had at a wedding. We all had fun. Like the bridesmaids, we had good chemistry. We danced. Guys, I was carrying my camera and carrying my phone, and a lot of the time I ended up getting good clear pictures with my phone. I'm going to share some of them with you guys while I talk so that you guys will see maybe some of the pictures if you don't follow me on Instagram. And this is the reason why you should follow me on Instagram, fam. My Instagram is Dimma. And guys, my camera is kind of heavy, and you know, like bridesmaids, like there are things that you have to do. So like carrying my phone and camera. So some of the time I had to drop my camera and just use my phone to capture what I could. And if you guys are interested in maybe buying Mega Growth products, because I've been working with them for years, you guys know I have a discount code. You can use that to get some money off of your order. But you guys know that I've been using Mega Growth products since 2017. Since I started cutting my hair, I've been using Mega Growth products. I love their products. I have many favorites from them. I love their leave-in conditioner, especially. Like, I've gone through so many jars of that thing because it's like water, it's water based, so there's not a lot of build up when you use it. Like, even with this updo that I have, I would still use the leave-in on my edges just to hydrate them or just keep them moisturized, you know. We took some nice Polaroid pictures and some like pictures in this photo smile booth thing. I'm going to insert the video from the smile booth so that you guys can see. The bride changed 3 times. The third outfit I didn't really gear on this vlog because around that time I think that my battery was low, so I had to go put my camera in the car. But I'm going to insert the video. It was so beautiful. It was like a proper party dress because we had an after party at the same venue, guys. Lagos weddings, man. There is a church event, there's a reception, and then around 6-7 p.m. the adults are always told to leave so that the youngins can have fun. So that's when the after party happens and the DJ starts giving us bangers. So the bride changed for that. She was wearing like a black dress. It was so beautiful. I'm going to attach the video that I got of it here so that you guys can see. And we also took some pictures like with a Polaroid camera. Let me show you guys those pictures. So these are very cute Polaroid pictures that I got. This is like me, and this is me with 2 of the bridesmaids. This is Tito and Amanda. And we've also got some professional pictures from the shower. And there's this really nice one that I took with the bride. I'm going to share it. This chicken, nonsense. Today is Sunday, so be careful. Rice and stew. Where are you? So I've turned my face a couple of times, and I'm sure that you guys have seen this. Guys, guess how I got this? Nisha, no, don't guess. This is one of the most ridiculous like scars that I've ever gotten in my life. I was baking cookies, guys, okay? Picked up a chocolate chip cookie to see if it was done. I don't know what I was doing, and then the melted chocolate chip somehow flashed on my face when I was breaking the cookie, and that's how I got burnt on my face. Ridiculous, I know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next Sunday with another vlog.